What's up guys, welcome back to Honest Cooks. Today's video is Kitchen Hacks Part 2. Backed by popular demand, I am bringing you 6 more kitchen tips. Let's get started. Garlic is used in almost every kitchen. Here is a very easy way to peel garlic. Start by removing the individual cloves from the cluster. Put them in a bowl and then add some lukewarm water to it and set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. And you will see that after 15 minutes, the garlic will peel very easily. To store this, dry it off and store in an airtight container in the fridge. Kitchen tip number 2. How to make the perfect roux. And the magic ratio is butter to flour 1:2. Start by melting some butter in a pan, and when your butter is almost completely melted, add in your flour. Immediately start mixing it. And you can cook this to whatever degree you want. If you are going for creamier sauces like a bechamel, cook it just until the raw smell goes off. But if you're making a darker sauce, you can cook this more. Once the roux is cooked, add in your stock. And here I will also add cream because I am making this sauce for IKEA style meatballs. Link to that video will be in the description box below. For my third magic trick, kitchen trick, I will be showing you how to make restaurant quality Basmati rice. Start by washing your rice in running cold water. Transfer the rice to a pot and add at least 3 to 4 times quantity of water. The trick here is to have extra water so that you can drain it off when your rice is done cooking. Season your rice and cover it to cook on medium heat. Once it starts to bubble, remove the lid and set it aside. And you will know your rice is cooked when it turns opaque white. Check for doneness, and when your rice is cooked, drain off the excess water. If you're enjoying the video so far, you could buy me a coffee. Link to that in the description box below. Put the rice back into the same pot, cover it with a lid and let it steam for a couple more minutes away from the flame before you serve it. This next one is a baking tip. In a lot of baked recipes, especially cakes and cookies, we often start with soft room temperature butter and we use it to cream with the sugar. So in recipes when you're using room temperature butter, make sure you use room temperature eggs. Having all of your ingredients at the same temperature ensures a well-mixed dough or batter. I have demonstrated this trick in blueberry loaf cake video. Link is in the description box. Next up, frozen Thai chilies. I always buy chilies by the pound. Green and gorgeous. A very easy way to make them last longer is to freeze them. Make sure you do not remove the stems. And then when you need some, just pull some out from the freezer. These remain firm, green and fresh in the freezer for up to 3 months. And they will chop like they're fresh from the farmer's market. Very few things are worse than sticky pasta. And in this next tip, I will be showing you how to avoid just that. Point number 1 is to start with enough water so that your pasta can swim in it. Drop your pasta in heavily salted water, and when you're done, strain it and rinse it with cold tap water. Put it in a bowl and drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil or vegetable oil. Doing this will ensure that your pasta or your noodles don't stick. And if you're looking for pasta recipe inspiration, check out our fettuccine aglio olio. Link will be in the description box. And that was the final hack for this video. If you enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more hacks or maybe just some snacks, let us know in the comments below. I will see you next week. Until then, have a lovely day.